Understanding offline access with cloud storage.
Cloud storage services, like Google Drive and OneDrive, are designed for online use, but you can still access files when you don't have internet. By preparing your files for offline use, you ensure that important documents, photos, or presentations are available on your device anytime. Learn how to make your files accessible offline, whether you're using a computer, phone, or tablet.
Setting up offline access on Google Drive.
To use Google Drive offline, open the Drive app or website while connected to the internet. On your computer, install Google Drive for desktop or enable offline mode in your web browser settings. For mobile devices, open the Google Drive app, tap the three dots next to a file, and then tap Available Offline. Your selected files will now be accessible without an internet connection.
Making OneDrive files available offline.
With OneDrive, you can mark files or folders for offline access. On Windows, right-click Files in the OneDrive folder and select Always Keep on this device. In the OneDrive mobile app, tap the offline icon next to the file or folder. These items will download to your device, allowing you to open and edit them even when you're not connected to the internet.
Tips for offline access on any device.
Before going offline, make sure your files have finished syncing. Regularly check for updates to both your cloud apps and files. Remember, changes you make offline will sync once you're back online. Always download important files ahead of time and use your device's file manager to quickly locate offline items on your phone, tablet, or computer.
Accessing files securely and efficiently.
Keep your data secure by logging out of your cloud storage account when finished, especially on shared devices. Use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. If you've downloaded sensitive files, delete them from your device when they're no longer needed. Following these steps will help you manage your files efficiently and safely, even without an internet connection.